Installing your Windmaster Chimney Champ. Firstly, ensure the base plate will fit over the chimney mouth. Then, mark off drill holes for fixing the base plate to the chimney stack. A generous amount of silicone sealant may be applied for fixing the base plate to the stack. Use suitable fisher plugs to attach the base plate to the chimney. To ensure the best possible seal, clean off any dust from the base plate before applying the fiber strips and the Everbond. Once the Everbond has been applied, place the Chimney Champ turbine onto the base plate and fix into position using rivets.